This is a step-by-step guide to making and maintaining a universal credit claim online. To make a claim for universal credit, you will need the following: an email address to register your account with, your personal information such as name, address, and the phone number, a proof of identity such as passport or a driving license, your bank account details, and this includes the name of the account holder, sort code, and an 8-digit account number, not the 16-digit number of your credit or debit card. Details regarding your income and savings. Housing cost details, such as rent or mortgage, and landlord or mortgage provider details. And childcare cost details, if appropriate. If you need any further assistance with the completion of this form, please contact Dash on 020-8848-8319 or email them at info@dash.org.uk.